Hi guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how you can resize video clips and images in Premiere Pro. So here you can see that I add two clips here. So now I'm going to resize this video clip. So you simply need to select this video clip from here. Then you need to double click on the video clip here. And here you can see handles. So you simply need to drag any handle like this. And here you can see that. But let's suppose you do not want to follow this method. The other method is you simply need to select your video clip from here. Then you need to go into the effects control panel, and here you can see scale option. You simply need to change value from here, and here you can see the size also changing in the video panel. So here you can see. But let's suppose you do not want the uniform scale. So I am going on to the second clip. I uncheck this option. So now you have see both options, scale height and scale width. So now I'm going to change the height and width like this. So I think this is perfect. So this is the process by which you can resize video clips and images in Premiere Pro. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.